Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress theme. First, you'll need to set up a local development environment like XAMPP or Local by WP to test your work. Then, familiarize yourself with the essential theme files and the WordPress template hierarchy. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a robust and functional theme from scratch. We'll cover these key components to get you started on your theme development journey. At the heart of every WordPress theme are a few critical files. You absolutely need style. CSS for your theme's metadata and visual styling and index. PHP to display content. The functions. PHP file is where you'll add custom features, register navigation menus, and enqueue scripts and styles. These three files form the backbone, allowing your theme to be recognized and function correctly within WordPress. To make your theme dynamic, you'll use WordPress template tags to display information such as post titles, content, and author details. The WordPress loop is fundamental. It iterates through posts and pages, presenting them on your site. You can also create custom page templates, offering unique layouts for specific pages. This allows for significant flexibility and control over how your content is presented. When developing, always ensure your theme is fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to various screen sizes, from mobile phones to large desktops. Prioritize security by sanitizing and validating all user input, and optimize for performance to ensure fast loading times. For a quicker start, consider using a well-maintained starter theme like Underscores. These practices lead to a high-quality, user-friendly WordPress theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.